Hi and welcome back, this is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. I'm back with my NailTube friends and this month Necko chose the theme. These are the beautiful manicures that we've prepared. I hope you enjoy them. In the description box I'll have links to everybody's video. If you're coming over from their channel, welcome and I hope you'll stay. Let's get started. On two nails I applied the Sinful colors polish called Slate. Now I'm going to apply a second coat. For the other nails, I'm going to use the Sinful Colors Hypnotic Transforming Top Coats to create a smushy mani. After applying a couple of drops of each polish on top of the stamper, I use another stamper to smush it together. I apply it to my nails directly from the stamper. For the pinky, I apply the polish directly onto the nail and smush it together with the stamper. Now I'm ready for cleanup. After cleaning up, I apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. I'll be stamping this image from the OS05 stamping plate with this Revlon polish called Wild Violets. I pick up the image on 3 different stampers and fill it in with different purple shades. I use this image from plate BPL026 and I stamp with my gold Beauty Bigbang stamping polish. Now I stamp the grapes. I go over them again with the gold polish. After sealing in the stamping with my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat, the manicure is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.